everyone, I'm Rajan Chaudhary, motivational speaker and business coach. Today I will talk about some best small business ideas. First of all, I will talk about consultant. If you have significant experience in or knowledge of a specific subject, consider becoming a consultant. Perhaps you are an expert at hiring practices, have a knack of SEO, or have led multiple sales teams to six figures success. So, guys, identify your expertise and market yourself as a consultant and charge the going rate. Now I will talk about clothing boutique owner. Yes, if you dream of building your own fashion empire, why not start with a local boutique? Build buzz with impressive clothing styles, inspiring social media accounts, and heavy community involvement. Event planner. You might choose to specialize in a specific type of event, like weddings or company meetings, or set yourself up as an event planner of all trades. If you are highly organized, are detailed oriented, and have experience planning large events, it might be time other benefit from your skills. Specialty food store owner, gourmet foods, cheeses, shake, wine, you name a food. There is a specialty food storage out there for it. Put your passion for exotic olive oils to good use and open a store like American Provisions, where you offer the kind of expertise and selection your audience could not dream of getting from their local grocer. Personal assistant. Again, if you are an organized, highly detailed person, the like of a personal assistant might be for you. Don't want to be tied to one office or person all day, every day. So, guys, consider becoming a virtual assistant, which allows you a more flexible work environment. Now, I will talk about food truck owner. Always dreamed of owning a restaurant, but not quite ready to take the plunge. Test out your concepts with a food truck. It's a great way to become familiar with food and restaurant licensing in your state. See what people like and don't like and build a revenues falling before ever opening or investing in a brick and mortar location. Consignment shop owner. So, guys, if you have an eye for style but don't want to invest in the inventory of a brand, so new boutique, consider going consignment. It will allow you to curate a collection of clothing that matches your goals and aesthetic without the overhead of a boutique selling entirely new garments. Now I will talk about caterer. If that personal chef gig is too restrictive for your schedule, consider catering instead. Pick your projects, work on fewer but larger events, and hone in your time management skills. Gym owner, kickboxing gyms, yoga studios, CrossFit. Oh my God. turn your passion for fitness into a community for others by creating your own gym. Start one from the ground up. Become an affiliate or open a franchisee location. Daycare honor. Childcare continues to be in high demand while nannies and nanny share and are popular right now. A good daycare is hard to find. Fill a need in your neighborhood by opening your own. And as always, make sure you are complying with your city and state's zoning, licensure, insurance, and inspection requirements. Now, I will talk about consignment shop owner. So, guys, if you have an eye for style but don't want to invest in the inventory of a brand new boutique, consider going assignment. It will allow you to curate a collection of clothing that matches your goals and aesthetic. You know, without the overhead of a boutique selling entirely new garments. Is it? Caterer. If that personal chef gig is too restrictive for your schedule, consider catering instead. Pick your projects, work on fewer but larger events, and hone in on your time management skills. Is it? So thank you so much, guys. Be happy. Take care. Thank you so much.